Hi! In front of me is XIAOMI Poco F4 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to click on About Phone and select Storage over here. Then tap on Free Up, choose Allow in the pop-up and wait. Lastly, click on Cleanup over here, and now as you can see, after a couple of seconds, storage of my XIAOMI was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!